Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add your family members to your Duolingo account. Yes, you can add the family members to your Duolingo account. But know that before you can add the family members to your Duolingo account, you have to ensure that they are either already using the Duolingo app or they are willing to get the Duolingo app. This is because for you to be able to add them, they have to have an existing account already with Duolingo. So the first thing to do is select the smiley face icon, which is the profile icon at the lower part of the screen. Once that is done, you will be directed to the profile page where your name, your username, etc. will be displayed. And then you would see add friends. Yes, that's our focus in today's tutorial. Once you select that, a list of options of how you can add friends, add the family members, add whichever person you want to add will be brought to you. You can either search for their email address, their name, username, or connect to them through Facebook or invite them manually. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be searching for friends by using email address. So this is the email address. So I'll search and then cannot find any matches. Should we send an email to this email address? Yes, email and invite. And then you'll be directed or taken to your email, to your Gmail account, and a message is already displayed. If you would want to edit it, you can go ahead and edit it. But if you don't want to, you can just send it directly. To edit it, I can just say, "This is Susan. Go ahead and learn." And that's it. Then you send it. Automatically, an invite will be sent to their email and they would accept it and they'll be added to your account. It is as simple as that. So go ahead and add that family member today. Have a nice day.